Okay, now I'm going to talk to you about if when you're cleaning your glasses you've got a smudge on there that you just can't get off. I don't recommend this, but some patients store their glasses in the bathroom. Maybe they wear contacts and you have backup glasses and they just keep them there. What tends to happen is hairspray or some sort of chemical gets on it. The best scenario is that it just got something on the lens that you can get off. Worst case scenario is you've got something on there that's going to erode the lens. But let's go with best case scenario. What we have here is some solution. You should be able to find the solution at any optician's office. They should have this to clean your glasses. This is to get off really tough smudges, okay? So what you want to do, and you could do this, you could spray it on the cloth or you could spray it on the lens. I prefer to spray it on the lens, okay? And again, what I would do is fold the temples up and go from the interior over. So circle around the exterior and then go through the interior. And then once again, same thing. Okay. And that's for, women, if you have mascara and your eyelashes touch the lens, you definitely want to use the solution. The solution is, I think, more for something that has, a tough stain to get out, a chemical or something like that. Ideally the cloth will work absolutely fine if you have just your average cleaning. You don't have to, grab the solution. You can just wipe them clean with a soft cloth. But if you do have something hard to get off, use the solution. That'll work just fine.